Hey there, welcome to LSEA Yoga. My name is Laura, and today is day 1 of our 5-day yoga and meditation challenge. This is our first meditation, and it's a fire meditation. And so we'll be letting go of things that no longer serve us. So if you're ready, find a comfortable seat, maybe a cushion to sit up on, and I'll meet you there. Begin by finding a comfortable seat. So maybe a cushion, and let that cushion be something that can be lower in the front than it is in the back. And that'll help tilt the pelvis forward and just help the spine go long so that we can sit tall. Find a comfortable seat so the legs can be however you want them to be. You could be sitting in a chair, or if you're sitting on the floor or on a bed, maybe simple cross-legged, half lotus, whatever's comfortable. Let the backs of the hands come to the knees and close the eyes. Palms are up, open to receive. And just start to deepen the breath. And as you breathe deep, just start to notice where there may be any tension in the body. And as you notice that, let it slip. Let it just start to release. Crown of the head and the sit bones reaching away from each other. Spine is long, but the torso is still relaxed. As you breathe deep, let that breath go into the belly. Maybe bring your right hand to the Manipura, your upper belly area. It's where we hold a lot of tension. So as you're breathing, let your belly move that hand in and out. And bring your other hand, your left hand, in front of the heart. And you don't have to place it on the heart. You can let it hover just in front, letting the warmth of your hand start to fill your heart. So with one hand on the belly and one hand over the heart, let's do some 2-part breathing just for a few breaths. So take a deep breath in through the nose, and then let it out through an open mouth. And this time as you inhale, inhale into your right hand, into the belly, and then into the heart, into your left hand. Let it swell. And then sigh it all out. And let's do that again. Inhaling into the belly, and then the heart. And then exhale. One more time. Inhaling belly and heart. And exhale. Now your left hand that's in front of your heart, let that come out in front of you, palm up. And leave your right hand where it is. Now bring your left hand with that palm up to about chest height. Just so as you look down your nose, if you open your eyes, you're looking directly into your palm. Now with eyes open or closed, start to visualize a flame, like a candle, in the center of your palm. And each time you inhale, let that flame burn brighter. Now, if it's uncomfortable holding your hand up, you can lower it and just imagine a flame out in front of you. Like you're sitting at a campfire. And each breath, that flame burns brighter. Now with each inhale, let that flame burn bright. And with each exhale, let the warmth wash over every inch of you. Inhaling brighter flame. Exhaling, warmth washes from the head all the way down to your toes. Now, wherever you are, you can lower your hand. You can just place that flame out in front of you. And lower your hand to your left knee, leaving the right hand on the belly. And visualize the flame out in front of you on the ground. Now you're sitting at your own personal campfire. And we're going to let a few things go. So start to think of and select 3 things that are no longer serving you. Now, these things can be a way of thinking. They can be an emotion. They can be something that's toxic in your life. A habit. Circular thoughts. Negativity. Just find and select 3 things that you're ready to let go. Now visualize that first thing that you selected. This thing that is no longer serving you, that you need to get rid of. Maybe you've tried, but you haven't been successful yet. Now remember that flame, that fire out in front of you, and take that first thing that's no longer serving you and toss it into the fire. Watch as it catches flame and begins to burn. Breaths are deep. Now watch as that thing burns down to ash. It's becoming gray with little flakes, dried ash after a fire. And then a breeze comes by, picks it up, and blows it away. Now we're going to do that 2 more times. So select your second thing, emotion, way of thinking, negativity, and hold it in your mind just for a breath. And then toss it into the fire. Watch as it catches. Watch as it burns. And it burns all the way down to ash, becoming gray and withered, unrecognizable. And then the breeze picks it up and carries it away. Now here, take a deep breath in through the nose and let it out through an open mouth. And for the last time, we'll picture that third thing that we selected. Hold it in your mind for a breath. Toss it into the fire. Watch it ignite and watch it burn. Watch as it becomes ash, and watch the breeze pick it up and carry it away. Now let both hands come to your knees. Turn the palms up toward the sky and be open to receive. Now, one last thing before we go. Offer yourself a little forgiveness. First, for carrying those things as long as you have, but also in the knowledge that what you did today, you may have to do many times before those things leave you for good. And forgive yourself for being human and for carrying those things with you, because we all do. So you may have to repeat this exercise again and again. But forgive yourself for that, because that's the nature of being human, and it's the nature of mind. And finally, we'll end with a little gratitude. So bring the hands in prayer in front of the heart and bow your head slightly. And just thank yourself for taking the time to let the flame within you burn bright. And let that warmth wash over you. For everything you need is already within you. And have gratitude to yourself for letting them go. Those things that no longer serve you. Take a deep inhale through the nose. And exhale it out through an open mouth. Make a sound. Now place one palm under the other, both palms up, and let those hands rest in your lap. Namaste.